Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining what you already know with quick market signals. Start now. List 10 topics you enjoy, then pick 2-3 niche overlaps that feel sustainable. Once done, scan 3 competitors to note formats, title styles, and engagement patterns. This shows what works and what's missing. Next, plug keywords into a tool to confirm demand and competition. This prevents chasing dead ideas. Keep it short and prioritize topics with clear viewer intent so your idea has an audience from day one. Once you have validated topics, expand each idea into practical formats so you can test quickly. For every idea, write 3 distinct video angles and craft a 1-sentence hook. This reveals which concept grabs attention. Make 5 title options and 3 thumbnail variations, then test via community polls or simple /B posting to sample response. Also outline a tight structure, 1-minute hook, 3 clear points, and a call to action. This stepwise execution turns a vague idea into repeatable, testable content. You now finalize by producing and optimizing. Batch produce 3 videos so you get comparative data fast. This reduces setup time and highlights patterns. Once published, monitor CTR and watch time closely, focusing on retention at 30 seconds and 1 minute to see if your hook works. If performance is weak, troubleshoot. Change thumbnail, punch up the hook, or tighten pacing, then re-upload or restart the promotion within 7 days. One key tip: if nothing improves, revisit the niche overlap. Often the audience fit is off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.